there have been a few enhancements to the dimensioning tool. Let's take a look in the sample MEP project. I'm zoomed into the north area of Level 1 lighting plan, and I've got several dimensions here that all show the equality symbol. With my cursor hovering over one of the dimension lines, I can press the Tab key. This now selects one of the dimensions in that string. I can select it and delete it. This means you no longer have to redo an entire dimension string because one part of it is incorrect, and you really don't want to fiddle with modifying the witness lines. The next enhancement is to do with the equality text. We can now place a formula into this string that allows us to see the spacing, the number, and the total length. To do that, let's select one of those dimension strings, and from the Properties palette, click on Edit Type. The very first thing I do here is duplicate the type and give it a suitable name. Let's say this is total length, and click on OK. Scroll down to the bottom to the other parameters. Here you can see we've now got new fields. I've got an equality formula, which is currently set to total length. Let's take a look at this. Here I want to place the number of segments, and I'll stick that at the top. I also have length of segment, which I'll place second, and I'll put some additional text in here. Number of segments at length of segment equals total length. Let's put a space at the end of that as well. Click on OK. And down here we'll also say that I don't need to see the equality witness displays. And click on OK again. But that hasn't changed my dimensions. I still need to come to my Properties palette and change the equality display to equality formula. This now shows the three spacings and the equality dimension followed by the total length. And finally, the latest addition to the Annotate dimension tool is the ability to create a diameter dimension. To see that in action, scroll into an area and create a detail line. Here we can create a circle. And previously, we would have just been able to create a radial dimension. Here, we can also create a diameter dimension. Select the circle and place the dimension. We can also use it on cable tray and duct bends if we wanted to know the diameter of that bend, or the diameter of a column that's in a linked file.